Hi guys, in this video I will show you the biggest airport in New York, JFK Airport or John F. Kennedy Airport. I will show you the terminals and the AirTrain. Let's start.
So there are 5 terminals in the airport. Terminal number 1, 4, 5, 7, and 8. And don't get confused because I don't know for what reason, but even though there are 5 terminals, there's no terminal from 1 to 5. It is terminal 1, terminal 4, terminal 5, terminal 7, and terminal 8.
The AirTrain is a train inside the airport and connects you with all the terminals completely free. If you need to get out of the airport, you will have to pay a fee. The AirTrain connects you to Howard Beach Station and Jamaica Station.
Once you are on the AirTrain station, see the number 4, that will tell you that you are on terminal number 4. And then you're gonna look up here on the TV monitors, and it depends where you wanna go. It tells you that you are there, terminal 4, and then you go 5, 7, or 8, depending where you go. And then if you wanna get out of the airport, you can go either to Jamaica Station or Howard Beach Station, which is one of the last stops. And it tells you there, if you want to go to Jamaica Station, the train will be here like in 4 minutes. So to take the AirTrain station, there are 2 tracks, track number 1 and track number 2. So how do you know which train you need to take? Well, it depends where you go. So what you want to do is, if this is track 1, there are monitors or a TV on each side. And you're just going to check the monitors. For example, here on track 1, there's a TV or monitor that it says that it's going to Jamaica Station. So you take this train to go to the Jamaica Station. And the other one is telling you that it's going to the Howard Beach Station. You will take that one to go to the Howard Beach Station towards there.
The Howard Station connects you with the MTA subway for Manhattan bound. The Jamaica Station connects you for Long Island Railroad service to Manhattan, Brooklyn's Atlantic Avenue, and some points of the east on Long Island.
Followed by Jamaica with connections to the LIRR, E, J, and Z train service. Thank you.
From Jamaica Station, you can take the MTA subway, E, J, and Z lines. If you take the AirTrain to get out of the airport, you will have to pay when you get to the Howard Beach Station or Jamaica Station. You will find some machines. Here are some cards that you can use to take your luggage for $6. These are the machines where you can pay, and you can pay by credit card or cash. The cost for the AirTrain single ride is $8.25, and for the AirTrain Plus subway fare is $11.
So you guys have an idea how long it took me to take that for the train to get from one station to another one. From example, from Howard Beach Station to Terminal Number 4, which is basically from one side to another one. It took me around 15-20 minutes, and there were like 7 stops in between. And the train goes every 5 to 10 minutes. They're pretty quick, but the airport is pretty big, and it will take you probably more time to be walking around the airport. So take your time. So based on my experience, it looks like if you get out from one terminal to another one, and you take the AirTrain, basically it's like kind of like you leaving the airport, or you're not leaving the airport, but you will have to go through security again if you have a connection flight.
There are also some shuttles that you can take from one terminal to another terminal without having to go through security again. You will have to show your boarding pass. Here is a directory of all the airlines where you can find and see where they are, which terminal you can find them. For example, United Airlines is in Terminal 7.
If you need to go to Terminal Number 1, the AirTrain is close to take you to Terminal 1. So what you will have to do is go to Terminal Number 8, and from Terminal Number 8, there are some free shuttles that it will take you to Terminal Number 1. And this is close you to construction. And there's a note there that I find out that it will be closed until November.
Terminal 4 has 4 floors. The first floor is arrivals. Second floor is only for employees. Third floor, there are the stores, restaurants, and departure gates. And the fourth floor is ticketing.
Y algunas tiendas en el Terminal 4, en el tercer piso.
Have you seen the latest Lego set? I love them all.
Es una tienda de Lego y esa es la torre. Here in the Terminal 4, they also have this machine for the SIM cards. I don't know how good they are, but they have like $10 home cards, $20 from AT&T.
A tip that I will recommend you is to take a bottle for your water, but it has to be completely empty. And then once you get through security and get inside the airport, you can fill it up with these machines that are completely free. These are at least in United States, inside in all the airports inside United States, because other countries I noticed that they don't have these machines. They're completely free, and you have something that I recommend you, just because water in any airport in the world is very expensive. Here is a restaurant inside the airport, and we're going to take a look of the prices just to give you an idea. For example, a hamburger, a Shack burger single is $8 with 35 cents. It's a little expensive. Double one is like $11. And then coffee is $2.75. A tea, hot tea, $2.39.
So here are the monitors. You can check the gates, the gates departure. Just double check always, because they can always change the number. A ver aquí en el duty free, cómo están los precios, por ejemplo, de las colonias.
Here are some prices of the perfumes, and this is inside the duty free area. And there's like a perfume Chanel, $116.
It's okay. Ya estamos en el terminal 4, pero estamos abajo, y acá encuentras todos los transportes públicos, los taxis, Uber, y nos estamos dirigiendo para tomar el AirTrain. Taxis.
Here we are in Terminal 5, and we are in the check-in area. There are many machines that you can do self-check-in.
Thank you guys for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.